What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about XRP getting up to that $3 to $4 range. Is it possible? Well, if we look back at history of XRP, it says it's very possible. Guys, welcome. Let's jump right into the charts. So, start this video off, guys. We're over here on cryptobubbles.net. See what's moving here in the markets this morning. So we have IMX, RNDR, Maker, Comp, XLM, HBAR, couple movers here on the markets, but do not see XRP on here. Let's head over to coinmarketcap.com. XRP sitting in the number 5 spot, actually. Looks like we moved down. I think we were number 4 recently, and now we are moving back down to number 5. Something interesting is the fear and greed up on the right-hand side of your screen there at a 35. So we're sitting in some fear. So prices are looking good here if you are the contrarian investor. And hey, not a bad time to start to get into more of a long or add to your long position anyways, especially for XRP. Guys, let's head over to the XRP chart, and I want to show you guys a couple interesting things here. What's going on with the price, what took place a couple years ago to what we're experiencing right now. I want to dive a little bit deeper into this in this video and talk about, can XRP get up to that 3 to 4 potentially higher price target based on history? And I think the answer is yes. So let's take a look at this. So on the left-hand side of the screen, I have a chart that dates back to 2020 and 2021 over here on the left-hand side of the screen. This is XRP back in 2020, 2021. On the right-hand side is recent price action, which would be up to today, the 24th of August, 2023. So starting off on the left-hand side, and we'll kind of switch back and forth, guys. Left-hand side had this nice big rally here from the 22, 23 cent range all the way up to 79 cents. Very nice rally. I remember it. I was part of it. It was nice to see the price move that quick in a very short amount of time. Put in a lower high, put in this wedge, another lower high. SEC came in, sued Ripple. Price dropped from basically 61 cents all the way down to an initial low of 20, and then undercut that and headed all the way down to just about that 17-cent mark before going on to rally over 1,000%. So that chart, that time frame on the chart looks very similar to what we're seeing right now. So let's talk about a couple scenarios that could potentially play out here for XRP. And, you know, if you're not an XRP holder, maybe this will, you know, flip the switch and potentially make you want to be an XRP holder. Guys, if you want to buy XRP, I have an uphold link down in the video description. Check that out if you do use that. I appreciate it. It does help support the channel. So we're taking a look here at current prices on the right-hand side of the screen for XRP. And you can see that we have this very large move here on the Judge Torres ruling for XRP not being a security. Very similar to what we have on the left-hand side of the screen. We have this initial big move here, right here. And then we have a very similar lower high, which took place as well back in that 2020 timeframe. Although that price was 63 cents, this price was 82 cents. And then we have ever since kind of been putting in lower lows, lower highs, selling off. And then we actually got this, I call it like I think I read it in one of Nay's books, the bathtub analogy, where essentially market will start to fade down, then all of a sudden it gets towards the low. And kind of like when you drain a bathtub, when the water gets near the end, it seems to speed up. And that's what took place here on the XRP price, as the price, you know, just utter capitulation comes in the market, and the market just basically goes vertical downside. And that's what took place here. And that would be represented on our left-hand side of the screen by this candle right here on the 23rd of December in 2020. Guys, 41% down day for XRP. Right before the Christmas holidays. Right before Christmas there, I remember that. Welcome to the markets, the SEC says to XRP holders. So, this initial down move here was the 17th. That was a 13% down day. So, what I want to talk about here real quick is, are the lows in, or are we going to undercut the lows? Well, let's go into the undercut first. If we undercut the lows, guys, that takes us down to, now this is based on the chart to the left back in 2020. We would see XRP potentially move down to a 34-cent XRP. So it's basically a 34.8 and then, a couple digits. 34-cent XRP potentially as the undercut before sending it to the upside. So keep that in mind. If XRP undercuts the low and heads down to 34 and then goes on to make that rally. So if we look on the left-hand side of our screen, XRP went on to rally from that low of, you can call it just about 17 cents. It went on to rally up to a price of, I think it was $1.98 or so. It basically went on to rally 1,060, 55%. So 1,000% gain. So if XRP undercuts the low, we'll start with that scenario, and then goes on to make a basically identical move, that is going to take us up to that, I believe it's that $3 range. So if we get down here to our 34.8, we can call it right there, and we go on to make a 1,053, call it right there. That takes us up to a $4 XRP, guys, if we undercut the low that was put in a few days back. So from a 34-cent XRP up 1,050 or so percent, that gets us to a $4 XRP, and that's would be basically an identical move to what we saw back in 2020, right after the SEC, 2021, after the SEC sued. Ripple crushed all the investors right into the Christmas holiday. Gotta love that. Welcome to the markets. So that is one way we can get to a $4 XRP. If this chart continues to play out like it did back then, we undercut the low, we head down to 34 cents. You'll even get a better price than now. We're up to 52 cents today. Goes on to make that rally. And that took place in, let's see, a little under 4 months. Gets us up to a $4 XRP. Let's change it up a little bit. Let's say that the price low is in, and let's also say that we do, let's say the price low is in, and then let's see where that would go based on back in here. So if we took the low from the 23rd of December and then went up to our high there, it's roughly an 833% move. So let's head over to what's going on our charts right now. Take our low. Make sure I have this chart done correctly so we have enough space. We take our low, which was, once again, that was on the 17th of August, guys, and we move up 833%. That is going to put us, once again, right there at that $4 XRP, oddly enough. So, can XRP get to $4 based on previous trading history, previous volatility of the chart? Of course it can. That would also put XRP into new all-time highs. I have a couple price areas on my chart right around that $3 range, $2.92, $2.85. I also have a couple above the market there at $4.75, $4.97. So if history repeats, and we'll see that $4 XRP into new all-time highs, I do have a couple price areas right around there. So the big question is, guys, does XRP undercut the lows, head to 34 cents, or are the lows in and we start to rally from here up to that $4 XRP. By the way, this move took roughly, if we take, let's say we undercut and we head up to the high there, that was 106 days. So if it takes us similar 106 days, that will take us out into December. Let's see here. We'll take the low. 106 would be December 1st. So we'll see. Can you make it into December? If we go up 830 to 1,055, we'll call it % from here, which would give us a $4 XRP. You guys let me know down in the comments. Will XRP repeat history? Will XRP get to all-time highs and to $4? We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully $4 is missing a few digits, if you know what I'm saying. Guys, thanks for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here on the channel. Appreciate it. All links down in the video description. Appreciate it if you do use those. Does help support the channel. You guys have a good one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about XRP $4. Take care.